You're in here till 10:10. Okay, so today's opener, we're talking about percent change. This is going to go along with the notes that we took on Monday. So you're going to determine the percent change for each of the following. If necessary, we're going to round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So if we're going to round to the nearest tenth of a percent, each of our answers have to be in percent form. So let's look at the first one here. We have $45, or not dollars, because it could be anything. We're going from the number 45 to the number 54. So the first thing I'm going to identify is what's my original, or my old, or my starting number. What's the number I start with? Okay, and what's my new number?
54.
Okay, so I'm going to need to know what those are for when I go to write my percent change formula. My percent change formula, I'm going to put my percent sign, my triangle, which is the delta sign meaning change, and then new minus old. So if it's new minus old, what would I write, Darius Coleman?
You write.
New minus.
So you first write your new first, so 54 minus 45.
Okay, and then we divide it by
45,
our old number. Then we
multiplied by
100 what? Percent. Make sure you have that percent sign on there. I'll be looking for that. So, when you go to type this into your calculator, just one more reminder. You're going to type in 54 minus 45 equals. After you hit that equal button, then you're good to just take it divided by 45 times 100 equals. So make sure you hit that equal button after you initially do the first step here, after you subtract. So when you go ahead and calculate that, what do you end up getting? 20? 20%. So is that going to be a decrease or an increase? Increase, yeah, it's a positive. So one way to look at that is, let's say that you guys are going to a Cardinals game this summer. And if you buy your tickets now, you can buy them for $45. But if you wait to buy them the day of the game, it's going to cost you $54. So you have to identify what the percent increase is going to be. Well, if you wait to buy your tickets the day of the game, that ticket price is going to be increased by 20%. All right, let's look at the second one. All right, Brendan, tell me what's right. Well, first thing, I'm going to, my old number, my new number. I like to label those. It just makes it a quick reference points for me. Go ahead. No. And the triangle sign, right? For change. Okay, go ahead now. Wait, you're missing part of your formula. All right, there you go. Nice. So you said you're going to do 45 minus 54 equals, right? Then divided by times 100. And when you do that, what do you end up with? Okay, so he got negative 16.666 repeating. I'm only going to go 3 decimal places past, so I'm only going to go to the thousand spot. Sorry, we're going to round it to the nearest tenth. The tenth is what place value, how far behind the place, or excuse me, how far behind the decimal is the 10th place value? 1. So this 6 here is in my 10th place value. I'm not going to write the other 2 numbers down, but I do need the number directly behind the 10th spot to determine if this 10th rounds up or stays the same. So is the number directly behind it 5 or greater? Yeah, so the number that's underlined moves up to a 7. So the answer to my question then is going to be negative 16.7%. Yeah. So a way to look at this problem is Taylor Swift concert tickets were $54. Nope, yeah, that's not going to ever happen, trust me. But they were $54. Nobody wanted to go see Taylor Swift. So the day of the concert, they dropped the ticket sale price to $45. So they took those ticket prices and marked them down 16.7%. If you can find Taylor Swift tickets for that price, let me know. It's my daughter's favorite singer. All right, number 3. So we're going from $100 to $120. Just looking at this, is it going to be an increase or a decrease? Is it going to be a percent increase or a percent decrease? Yeah, it's going to be an increase because we're going from a smaller number to a bigger number. Let's have Haley tell me what to do.
Okay. First of all, you want to write down 120.
No.
Wait. You roll.
No. I already have that.
First the triangle.
Which was what?
Change.
What goes before the change?
Percent.
There we go. So we're going to do our percent change equals. Okay, take it from there.
And now you want to put 120 minus 100. You have 100 go under them.
So divided by 100. Okay.
Times 100.
100 what?
Percent.
Okay. So then, so 120 minus 100 equals divided by 100 times 100. What did you get?
I got a positive 20%.
Positive 20%. Do you guys agree? Good. So in your answer, you did a nice job by saying the positive. In your answer, you want to show that it's a percent increase, so you're going to put that plus sign. Your answer, the percent sign, then box it. Yep. Sure will. That's a good question, though. So the question was, if you do not put the percent sign, percent change sign in front of the formula, will I take points off? Yes. All right, let's take a look at the fourth one. All right, who haven't I heard from this morning? You know I'm going to call on you. You might as well just go. What do I do?
Percent change.
Okay.
12 minus 10. Divided by 10. Times 100%.
Okay.
That's 20%.
Twelve minus 10 is 2. Y'all agree? So what's a couple things I'm missing?
Box.
And then what else?
The box.
It's a positive, right? It's going to be a plus because it's an increase. Good. Questions on that one? I feel like you guys did a really nice job with this assignment.
So easy.
Yeah, just wait till I give you tomorrow's assignment.
It's still gonna be easy.
All right, last one. Just looking at this, is it going to be a percent increase or a percent decrease? Yeah, it's going to be a percent decrease. All right, who else have I not heard from? You have been fairly quiet for you. Okay, go ahead.
You put the percent change.
Okay.
Then it's 0 minus that equal. Oh yeah, no, minus 7.
Divided by.
Oh yeah, divided by minus 7. Oh, you said just 7.
Okay,
Times 100%.
there you go. Oh, good.
Is it minus 100?
So negative 100 what?
Percent.
And what do I do with my answer? Perfect. Nice job. Any questions on this?